Okay. I'm sorry, I've not started the recording, but yes, now it's been under recording. So I'm sharing my screen. So can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, yes, wait.
So we were talking about the travel. So teachers, they're discussing about this travel accommodation and all. So it's clearly mentioned over here, and you can, whenever you planning for such events and competitions, you can check the what they have mentioned. So here at the last over here, you can see case of outstation travel 600 kilometer, right? And about AC, non-AC, everything they have mentioned over here. Three tire, no amount from the ATL grant shall be used for any international travel or any related ATL related activity or competition. So completely they have mentioned, right? And now at the end, the D point, if you see over here, the 50,000 may be utilized for organizing intra or inter-school ATL related events, including but not limited to the following, like ATL Tinker Fest, Marathon, Mentor Session, School of the Month, Community Day. So they have mentioned clearly over here. So I hope this is a clear. They have clearly defined everything over here, and now yes. So teachers, if you have still doubts, you can write in the chat box. I'll get back to the chat box, and I'll take your doubts. I'll take 5 minutes, and I'll answer you by reading your chats, comment, whatever like you have mentioned. Yes. So the next is we were talking about, that is, let me yeah. So managing the bank account for granting aid, interest accumulation. I think someone is asking me a question related to interest, how to refund the interest, something, right? So these questions, basic things, everything they have mentioned over here. Maintenance of ATL, right? Then the next is, I think that's yeah. So they have they have already shared some PDF docs over here. So I'll share these links with you once I'll complete all these topics, and you can go through it. Now let's talk about the ATL equipment list. Right. So I hope this ATL equipment list is visible. Right? Is this visible?
Yeah,
Gokul, can
Neeraj.
you? Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
teams, teachers also, if you can see this screen, please let me know. Uh, I just want you just raise your or send a thumbs up if you can see this screen. If you're still stuck anywhere, just let me know. I'll stop and first help you, and then I'll continue to the next topic. I think I'm not able to see the screen of the teachers. Oh, I'm pinned. Just a second. Great. Uh, yes. I think a lot of teachers have raised their hand. And yes, so moving to the next topic, that is the equipments in the lab, right? So I'm sharing one list with you. Uh, just let me share my screen again. So this is the equipment list, and it depends how much strength you have. Total of student strength, basically. Now, so here we have two lists. One is for 90 students. If you have a 90 student ka batch in your school, then there's a separate list. And if you have a 60 students ka batch in your school, then there's a separate list, right? So let's open the first one. I'll click on the 90 ka batch. I'll click first. I'm clicking on this 90 wala batch, and how this list is there. Let me open this one. Yeah, it's open right now. And teachers, those who have joined Teachers, those who have joined group third, I request please join one group at a time and give chance to other teachers to join, because once the group is full, other teachers are not able to join the teachers program group, right? So I think more than 1,000 teachers has joined already first group, and there's a second group, then there's a third group. So request please join one group at a time. Yeah. So I'm showing you this list, ATL इक्विपमेंट का लिस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उसके एक्स्ट्रा है, वो किस तरह से बनाई है, और जब कोई नई लैब आपको मिलती है तो उसमें कितना कितना सामान आता है, वो आज आपको मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ. सो आई एम शोइंग यू द लिस्ट ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स once the new lab setup, and as per the students strength, how much material is there. It can be ups and down depending on right requirement, but I'm just showing you a general list. So this one is the 90 batch ka list, and I'm just make it a little bit zoom. Yes. So this is the ATL equipment list, and you can download this list from this link, which I'll share you after this. Right. So as I'm mentioning about packages P1, P2, P3, and P4. So these are the four packages. So in package one, it consists of these items. Right. Like if you can see, I have opened package one ka list, which is contains of Arduino Uno, which is an electronics board. We call it brain. And here's the specification they have mentioned. Like, because in the market there are a lot of types of Arduinos are there, but they have specified some, this type of specification is there, and the suggestion quantity for 90 students is 45, at least two per Arduino for two students, right? It's a consumer means you can students can work on it, and if it's get breakdowns happen, then you can reorder it again. So it's a consumable item. It can be consumed. And then we have Arduino. There are a lot of Arduinos are there in the market. Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, Arduino Lily, Arduino Mega, Arduino XY. There are a lot of Arduino. So they have mentioned some different Arduinos over here. One is Arduino Uno, then Arduino Nano, and mention the quantity. Now if you can see over here, these are the resistor, capacitor, linear voltage regulator, water pump module, piezoelectric. So these all are the electronics items, and they have mentioned the quantity, and these are the specification, right? So this all material comes under package one, right? I think you have seen in your lab, and right. So these are the same thing. Now sometimes what happens, teacher, as a non-tech person, when I visit the lab, when I open my Mira and I see a lot of components, but I'm not able to recognize what is the name of this component, what is the name of that component. So there are, it's kind of confusion for a new teacher to understand, to label. Because if label is there, then you are easily know, okay, this component names is sound playback module, or this component name is RGB LEDs, right? But if the label is not there, then there is a mess. So what you can do to organize your lab, to organize your Almira, ATL Almira, you can use Google Lens. I think most of the teachers knows about Google Lens. Just you open Google Lens and scan the sensor, and it will show you the name of that component, right? And then you can label it. And also you can just search one by one the name of these components in the Google, and just find you can label those components as per the list, right? So this is the best practice. But yes, I'll in the next class we will do an activity using Google AI. We will create one project where your model will help you to identify the project's name by just clicking the picture, right? That will do using AI. तो टीचर एआई हमारी एक नेक्स्ट क्लास एआई की होगी, जहाँ पे हम कोई ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करेंगे जहाँ से आप कैमरा ऑन करके किसी भी कंपोनेंट्स के ऊपर रख करके उसका नाम पता कर सकते हैं कि इस कंपोनेंट का नाम क्या है. आपके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, आपके एटीएल लैब में बहुत सारे ऐसे कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं जिसके बारे में आपको नहीं पता होता, उनके नाम नहीं पता होते, तो आप एआई की हेल्प से उन फोटोज को क्लिक करके उनके नाम पता कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसी भी हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी है, उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे, राइट? सो ये जो मैं अभी आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, these all are comes under package one. The things I'm showing you, all these things comes under package one. As I told in the beginning, robotics, IoT, these all comes under IoT, Internet of Things. All these all are the sensors. ये हमारे सभी सेंसर्स हैं, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स के अंदर ये आते हैं। और इससे आप इनसे आप मोबाइल की हेल्प से, इंटरनेट की हेल्प से आप इनको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, इन इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम्स को। सो दीज ऑल कम्स अंडर पैकेज 1, DIY kit, STEM learning app kit. So these are some ready-made kits comes in the ATL lab. So this is complete of the package P1, right? Now let's talk about P2, rapid prototyping tool. Rapid prototyping tool is basically the tools that are used for prototyping. Prototyping means you can design your own material, you can design on your own product or projects. For example, you are working with a project and you want to make it as a final product, but you need to design a case. So using 3D prototype, you can 3D printer, you can develop your own project and you can print your own case. So we will have one session in the upcoming days where we are going to learn how to design or how to operate 3D printer, or how we can print our first object. So टीचर्स, अभी जो पैकेज 2 है बेसिकली ये रैपिड प्रोटोटाइपिंग के ऊपर है, और यहाँ पे हम समझने वाले हैं प्रोटोटाइप के बारे में। प्रोटोटाइप कैसे काम, मतलब प्रोटोटाइप मतलब कि 3D प्रिंटर जो है वो किस तरह से हमारी हेल्प करता है। अगर हमारे बच्चे कोई प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं और उनको कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, तो जिस उसके लिए उन्हें कुछ डिजाइन बनाने हैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट को और बेहतरीन दिखाने के लिए, तो 3D प्रिंटर की हेल्प से कैसे आप अपने खुद के प्रोटोटाइप डिजाइन कर सकते हो, अपने प्रोजेक्ट के लिए एक अच्छा सा 3D मॉडल बना सकते हो, वो हम जानने वाले हैं। और हमारे आने वाले सेशन में हम लोग खुद से 3D प्रिंटर पे कैसे हम चीजों को प्रिंट करें वो भी सीखेंगे। तो मेरे साथ मेरे और भी कलीग्स हैं जो ये सेशन को कंटिन्यू करेंगे, और वहां पे वो आपको सिखाएंगे 3D प्रिंटर को ऑपरेट करना, डिजाइन बनाना, और उसके बारे में बहुत सारी ऐसी नई नई चीजें। सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट one, these are some tools like 3D printer tool. So this is the description, like 3D printer having a bed where we print the objects. So this is the size of the printer, 160 mm, 160 mm, 160 mm bed size we called it. Then it's showing some specification, like it's internet based, it's having an open source LED screen. So all these things are mentioned over here. Which component is used in 3D printer, it's already mentioned over here. So this is 3D printer. Then this is a UPS power back instrument that comes under this package. Then filament it's a kind of plastic material which is used. It is basically like a spool. We have a sewing machine, right? We have a spool in that. So similarly in 3D printer it comes a spool. We call it PLA filament. It's a plastic material which is used to print objects. Then filament storage box. So this plastic, after some time, as it reacts with the nature environment air, it gets brittle. So to save this filament, we use this box container. Then rapid prototype tools, this comes art and craft material. Art and craft means cardboard, foam, scissor, rubber, popsicle sticks, wood. So these are the components which is used for art and craft design. For example, if you are designing a prototype and you need some art and craft to make your project beautiful, so that art and craft things comes over here in the consumer items. And this is complete package P2. ठीक है। सो टीचर, ये मैं पैकेज P2 के बारे में बता रहा था, जहाँ पे यूपीएस फिलामेंट्स आता है, फिलामेंट कवर करने के लिए बॉक्स आता है, इस तरह की कुछ चीजें आती है जो पैकेज 2 के अंदर आती है हमारे। देन पैकेज 3 में हमारे पास आता है मैकेनिकल टूल्स। अब जस्ट अ सिंपल एग्जांपल, when you are designing a prototype, it's not about only electronics. Maybe students are interested in mechanical tools. They are interested in designing a robust car, a heavy gear system, chain gearbox, such kind of things. Or even there you can use wood also in their prototype, right? So to explore, to learn something out of this, there's a section we call it package 3, mechanical, electrical, and measurement tools, where all these items comes. तो टीचर्स, अगर बच्चों को खाली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के अलावा किसी और चीज में इंटरेस्ट है, जैसे उनको कोई मैकेनिकल गियर बॉक्स बनाना है, कोई कार बनानी है, कोई ऐसा बड़ा लेवल का कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है जहाँ पे मैकेनिकल टूल्स का काम आ रहा है या फिर वुडन का काम आता है, तो उसमें वो मैकेनिकल टूल की हेल्प से वो प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सकते हैं। तो आई थिंक यू हैव सीन इन योर लैब देयर आर सेक्शन for mechanical tools, hanging tools are there. So that section we call it as a package 3. So in package 3, different items comes like hacksaw, mini hacksaw blades, pliers, tweezer. Then we have different kinds of hammer also are there, C clamp, steel shaft. Then there's a Allen key set. I think most of you have seen the L-shaped key, which is used in the electronics in mechanical tools. So students understand how to use different set of tools, right? Every tool have their different size, so they understand, okay, this is a 2 inch, 3 inch, or 0.5 inch tool, right? And which tool they can use at which place. So this is how they understand about the mechanical instrument, right? So drilling machine also, there's a set of drill machine. There are bits, so they understand which bit is used for iron, to drill iron, which bit is used to drill the wooden part, which drill can they use to drill a wall. So depending on the drill bit, which no. It's a working station spanner. So this is how they understand about these things, right? तो टीचर्स मैं आपको यही बता रहा था कि जो बच्चे हैं अगर वो ड्रिल मशीन यूज कर रहे हैं तो वॉल पे, वुडन पे, आयरन पे, अलग अलग प्लेस के लिए अलग अलग तरह की ड्रिल बिट्स आती हैं, तो कैसे उसको यूज करना है, कहाँ पे कौन सी बिट लगेगी, है ना, ये सब चीजें वो अपने इस टूल पैकेज 3 के साथ सीखते हैं, राइट? तो यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे आइटम्स आर देयर. Air blower is there, file set to clean some rough area. We have a file set also, mini file set. Then we have peg board to hang something. Then we have digital oscilloscope, hot glue gun, soldering kit, right, adapters, electrical screwdriver. Then quantity is also mentioned. This is for 90 set of students, and if you have students are less, around 50 or 40, then there's a different list where the quantity is reduced, right? So I hope now this is clear. Telescope, sewing machine, these all are the equipments which is there in the package 3. Now the last package, which is a package 4, and this package 4 is basically for power supply and accessories, right? So power supply and accessories, can any teacher help me, just let's open the chat, and you can write in the what material you have seen in the package 4. Let's do a quick activity. It's just because I think I'm speaking for the last 42 minutes. So let's do an activity. Teachers will have to write the names of the tools that comes in package 4. So I'm just turning on the chat, and it will be open for everyone, and you need to write the names of the tools which comes, and the name of the components which comes in package 4. Okay, so I will be making it to meeting chat to everyone. Yes. So I think now anyone can see each other's messages. Yeah, first aid box, fire extinguisher, safety goggles, cable tie, great, glue stick. I think now it's time. It's your time to uh, share your thoughts, like what you have understand in the package 4. Rechargeable batteries, power supply and accessories, power supply and tools. I hope other teachers can see the chats, because I think I have changed the setting and it's open for all. Great. Yes, alligator wires, power supply wires, ice cream sticks, that comes under package 4. Jumpers, sandpaper. Sandpaper is something new. Safety mask, soldering kit, fire extinguisher. Is it comes under package 4? Fire safety equipments. Oh, mask, hand gloves. Great. Popsicles. महेश सर, आपका क्वेश्चन मैं बाद में लूंगा. 37 in 37 in 1, like alcohol sensor, PIR, IR. Okay, but that is a P1, Arun Kumar, that is in P1 package. When electronics item comes in P1, I'm just asking for P4. हमारे P4 में कौन कौन सा सामान आता है पैकेज 4 में? इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर, ओके. अल्ट्रासोनिक सेंसर मैम comes in P1, चिल्ड्रन हाई स्कूल. Power bank, yes, power bank is new. Bulb holder, okay. I think a lot of teacher knows about these packages, right? काफी पता है, बट मैंने शायद आपके साथ एक लिंक, एक पीडीएफ शेयर करी है, जिससे आपको और अच्छे से क्लियर हो जाएंगे पैकेजेस के बारे में, और आप अपने लैब को कुछ अच्छे से मेंटेन कर सकेंगे। इसके बाद मैं आशा करता हूँ कि इसके बाद आप अपने जो लैब है, आप या जो भी आपके लैब को आप मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, इंचार्ज हैं, या आपके साथ जो भी आपके सपोर्टिंग टीचर स्टाफ हैं, इस लिस्ट के हिसाब से आप अपने लैब में एक अच्छे से एक प्लेट, वी कॉल इट नेम प्लेट उसको हम बोलते हैं, जहाँ पे लिखा होता है कि ये सेक्शन किसका है, दिस सेक्शन इज फॉर रोबोटिक्स, दिस सेक्शन इज फॉर 3D प्रिंटिंग, दिस सेक्शन इज फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, राइट। और उसके नीचे वो आपका सामान रहे, ताकि आपकी लैब एक प्रॉपर लैब लगे। ठीक है, चलिए। सो मूविंग अहेड, next, so I would like to request my teammates, please uh, send the attendance link to the teachers, so that they can, the one who has joined right now, they can mark the attendance. So teacher, आपको हम एक अटेंडेंस लिंक शेयर कर रहे हैं, जिन्होंने अभी अगर ज्वाइन किया है तो अपनी अटेंडेंस मार्क कर सकते हैं, जिससे मैं आपको हमारे जो ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल एंड रिसोर्सेज है वो आपको मैं टाइमली प्रोवाइड कर सकूँ। राइट। सो 12 बज गए हैं, मैं आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी लूंगा। 12:30 पे हमारा ब्रेक होगा फॉर 15 मिनट्स, और उसके बाद मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस भी लूंगा जैसे हम ब्रेक से वापस आएंगे। और तब तक हम और चीजें कंटिन्यू करते हैं। लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, just a second. Uh, Team, please share the attendance link, also the third group link for the teachers, those who have not joined any group. जिन टीचर्स ने कोई भी ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, आप उनके साथ एक थर्ड ग्रुप वाला लिंक भेज दीजिए, ताकि उनको भी, टीचर्स को प्रॉपर मैसेज पास हो। और टीचर्स जिन्होंने अगर मल्टी ग्रुप्स ज्वाइन किए, मल्टीपल ग्रुप्स, उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज आप किसी एक ग्रुप में ज्वाइन होने होइए, ताकि अदर टीचर्स को ग्रुप में ज्वाइन वो कर सकें, ग्रुप फुल ना हो। ठीक है, चलिए। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द packages. So I will share the link also in the chat once it's complete. Okay. So anyone have any doubt for this section? If you have, please write in the chat. I'll be reading out this one. So I'm closing this tab. This is, we have completed. Then procurement and equipment procurements and guidelines. I'm closing this PDF also. Then we have 90 का एंड 60 का स्टूडेंट्स का लिस्ट, राइट। सो आप किसी पे भी क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं। यू कैन क्लिक एनी लिंक एंड यू कैन सी द लिस्ट ऑफ द schools. This ATL dashboard we are going to discuss after the lunch, means after a break. Then we are going to discuss about some basic few things. First is ATL community day, which is very important. Then why we have the plans, right? So I'll discussing first online platforms. So teacher, many of you are, are not aware, like, AIM posts time to time their daily activities on their social media platform, right? Either it can be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or there are a lot of platforms are there. So you just have to do one thing. You just have to search on the internet and just follow these pages, so that you will get time to time updates. तो टीचर्स, ये नीति आयोग एम हर बहुत बार अपने डेली की एक्टिविटीज, क्या आज हुआ है या क्या होने वाला है, कोई टीचर ट्रेनिंग आ रही है, या कोई भी ऐसी चीजें जो बच्चों के लिए हैं, वो पोस्ट करते रहते हैं अपने सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे, फेसबुक पे, लिंक्डइन पे, ट्विटर पे, यूट्यूब पे। तो आप उनको जाके सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपको टाइमली अपडेट्स मिलते रहें। जैसे कि अभी हमारा लास्ट अगस्त में मेगा टिंकरिंग इवेंट हुआ था, जिसमें लर्निंग लिंक्स ने यहाँ पे नित्या के साथ सपोर्ट करके एक बिग इवेंट किया था, जिनमें उनको एक अवार्ड, एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड का अवार्ड मिला है, जहां पर आप देखेंगे 4,73,350, मतलब 4,73,350, 4,73,350 बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। 9,467 schools, 8 schools participated in this mega tinkering day. And I think you remember your school also participated in this event, where you have made a vacuum cleaner, right? So this is what they got a Asia Book of Record for this one. So this is what they have received. So not only this one, time to time you can see they post every activity what we are doing, right? And I'll show you some more updates from their end. Okay, I have not registered, so that's why it's showing me like this. So I've not logged in basically the Facebook. I'm just opened their page through Google, so that's why it's showing me. It's asking me to register, but no problem. Fine. So this is this is the AIMS portal. You can follow this one. There are WhatsApp groups also. There are WhatsApp groups. I'll try to add you, those who are not there in the daily updates group. They will send the daily updates over there. Yes. So, is there anyone who has not there in the WhatsApp? Can you just raise your hand? I just want to know how many teachers are there. Those who are not a part of ATL WhatsApp group. Just raise your hand. I just want to see how many teachers are there. Those who are not in the official ATL group. Okay. I think seven has raised the hand. Only seven teachers. Just raise the hand. I just want to know, check how many people actually, how many teachers are there, those who are not in the official group. Because every time they only 18 out of 630. Okay, all are there in the official AIMS card. Okay. There is an official group by AIM, state wise basically, and they share updates, the events, the upcoming events in those groups. So it's a state-wise group. Okay. So I can see a lot of teachers who has raised their hand and they are not there in the group. So okay, no problem. I'll do one thing. I'll when this last day when the people T will join, we'll definitely we'll let you know how the process, because you have to update your dashboard, right? You have to update your dashboard, and that is the process. To they will refine, they will add the teachers accordingly. Now let's move to the next one. That is, let me share my screen again. Just a second. Now how to create videos or for how to create, right? This is one of the, so as you know that every ATL school have their own ATL Facebook page. The one is the school ka page, one is school Facebook page or school social media page, the another is ATL page. So ATL page means whatever the activity the students are doing in the lab, right? As an in charge, we have to post our the big the work we are doing in the lab, and we have to be innovation mission. And if you are working with you are like central school, then you can tag your KVs. You are working with government school, you are as a government teacher, you can create. Okay. So if you are, you can tag your government officials also. So and get a Facebook page, ATL lab, and how you can post your day-to-day activities. Just let me know the sound. Just post the sound. I'll check the sound. Share sound. Yes, Gokul, is the sound screen and sound audible? Yes.
How to create a Facebook page. Locate the
Yeah,
web
Neeraj.
browser.
Okay, great. So there is a link how you can create a Facebook page and how you can post your day-to-day activities over there. I'm just going. I'm skipping the video and just showing you main points. Just let me stop this one annotation.
On your desktop, launch your web browser. Go to Facebook login. Go to Facebook login. Let's create an account if you do not have a Facebook account. activated mobile number or address.
So this is the they have given a complete tutorial. If you do not know how to create a Facebook page, there's a in this video you can see how to create a page for your Facebook ATL lab. I'm just skipping the video. Sometimes happens like
Connect to
right account to your Gmail. Then let's go through it directly. So step by step they have mentioned you are creating for which purpose.
and select about.
So I'm going to show you the last one. So they have mentioned how to post videos and all, how to tag, right? So I'll show you one. See, even they have mentioned the tagging at Innovation Mission. It's a school name, BVMP school. So these are the pages that you have to uh, like or select or tag. So this is how if you tag, if you're posting something, some video or picture, you if you tag these like them to aim, they will directly see what your school is doing, right? The active schools, those who are actually working, you can just search these pages, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, or other, right? You can like their page and then you can mention them that we are doing such activities and this is how. Might be sometimes what happen, they like your work and they reshare on their portal. Okay, so this is the process of creating a Facebook page. Now I'll show you some pages which are available on Google. Just give me a moment. And now, teachers, if I, as you seen, I have just right over in the Google ATL Facebook page, and when you scroll it down, now you can see there are different schools names are covering ATL, DAV, GGN, ATL Salwan Girls, ATL Sneha International, ATL DAV Sector 49 Gurugram, ATL API Shankar Vihar, Kulachi Hansraj. So these all are the schools it's showing, right? Now, if you open any school, for example, I'll open ATL DAV Sector 49. I guess there's a teacher from 49 who has joined right now. I think I heard someone from Gurugram joined DAV. So I'm just opening and now you can see what the achievements on their portal. So टीचर जब आप फेसबुक अकाउंट बनाते हैं और आप इस तरह से जब पोस्ट करते हैं तो आप अगर टैग करते हैं किसी को तो आपका अचीवमेंट आप किस तरह से काम कर रहे हैं एटीएल लैब के अंदर एज ए इंचार्ज आपका वर्क वो यहाँ पे दिखता है सबको। तो ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनका प्रोजेक्ट सिलेक्ट हुआ है 3D मेड इन 3D द SIP प्रोग्राम के अंदर, राइट, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप प्रोग्राम के अंदर। तो वहां पे देखिए उन्होंने सब उन्होंने यहाँ मेंशन किया हुआ है, उन्होंने जो सर्टिफिकेट्स मिले दे हैव पोस्टेड ऑन द एटीएल फेसबुक पेज। अगर कोई बच्चा उनका सिलेक्ट हुआ है ऑन एम और इंस्पायर मानक, सो उन्होंने वहां पे उसको पोस्ट किया हुआ है, राइट। एंड नॉट ओनली द पोस्ट, यू कैन टैग, राइट। सो देखिए कोई अगर एक्टिविटी हो रही है तो वो भी उन्होंने वहां पे मेंशन किया है। सॉरी आई हैव नॉट लॉग्ड इन, तो ये बार बार मेरे पास आ रहा है। I'll refresh and I'll show you some more. So this is the benefit। अगर आप कुछ अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स बना रहे हैं, अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, तो उसको सोशल मीडिया पे जरूर आप पोस्ट कीजिएगा ताकि ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्राउड उसको देखे और दे अप्रिशिएट, राइट। Not only this one, if I open few more because I do not know these schools, but yes, they have posted and their school is active. So yeah, so this is the 9th September, just 2-3 days before they have posted one video. Then these are the students, those who are actually working well in so this is post regarding the mega tinkering day. So they have done some activities during the mega tinkering day, and you can see their post कि बच्चे वहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं, what they are doing in the lab, how many projects they have made, prepared during this mega tinkering day, right? So this is what AIM always says please whatever you are doing, show either upload in the dashboard or you can also tag post it in the online media, राइट. यू कैन मार्क कॉपी लाइक आप अपने जो आपके गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स हैं उनको भी टैग कर सकते हैं. एंड आई विल शो यू वन ATL मेगा टिंकरिंग टिंकरिंग डे इन. I'll show you. Oh, sorry, it's yeah. तो मैं आपको दिखाने वाला था कुछ एम से, जो हमने एम ने मेगा टिंकरिंग डे के दिन जो कुछ पोस्ट किए थे जिसमें बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, जिनके लिए उनको एक रिकॉर्ड एक मिला है कल. Right. So this is what you can also do. You can tag your nearby schools that we are doing such great activities, and you can invite them as a cluster school. If their schools are in your cluster, you can invite them to participate with you. Right. ठीक है. So just a second. I'm trying to open the post of that day. I think most of you have seen. If you have not seen, you can follow this channel. So आपको भी you will also get a proper info. So let me. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So before moving ahead, teachers, I would like to request can uh, mark. You can mark your attendance. I think this is no. This is by Shamrock. Okay, fine. So I hope this is now clear. Now we have a big topic, a huge topic, which is the first is ATL dashboard. Then we have one more topic. Uh, I think most of you are waiting for it, about ATL equipment manual. Means I'll just show you a glimpse. So this is what we are going to cover in our next topic. We are going to cover, है ना. सो टीचर्स, आपके लैब में बहुत छोटे छोटे सामान होता है इक्विपमेंट्स के अंदर, हमें उसकी जानकारी नहीं होती. अगर हम इस PDF के थ्रू अगर हम स्टार्ट करें तो आपको हर एक कंपोनेंट के बारे में पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. ये एक सर्वो मोटर है. इस सर्वो मोटर का क्या काम है, इसको कैसे यूज करना है, उसका ट्यूटोरियल, और इसके क्या क्या कॉमन एप्लीकेशंस हैं सर्वो मोटर्स के. एंड इसके बाद हम इसको और कहाँ कहाँ एग्जाम्पल, इसका एग्जाम्पल्स भी दिए हुए हैं, क्या सेफ्टी मेजरमेंट और क्या उसका इंपॉर्टेंट लिंक्स. तो ऐसे ही ये एक कंपोनेंट नहीं, ऐसे ही हमारे पास सारे कंपोनेंट्स जो हमारे ATL लैब में यूज होते हैं उसकी ये बुक है, जो आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी, आपके स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प करेगी कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट में या किसी भी कंपोनेंट को. सो आई थिंक ये जो 170 पेजेस का PDF, एंड इन दिस PDF ऑल द कंपोनेंट्स यू हैव इन योर लैब, they have briefed it clearly, like about the device. Like for example, I'll tell you. For example, this is, yeah. So this is an Arduino. So Arduino, and the components in Arduino, then Arduino Uno's specification. Then there are different. There's a big family of Arduino Mega, Arduino Uno, Nano, Lily, right? So all these things. Then how to connect Arduino to the software. So everything is mentioned over here. The Node MCU, it's a IoT board, Internet of Things board. How you can connect IoT, right? Some examples, some common applications, how to use. There's a tutorial. So everything is there. So I think this is one of the best thing what as a in charge like, because if you are going to start you with the components, so I think this one is the best tool I can say, right? So we'll be discussing about this one in this after a break. And then what we will do, we'll take a 15 minute ka Q&A. We'll take a 15-minute Q&A, and then we have a break. And after that, we are going to discuss about GEM portal. So how to start with GEM. If you do not have the account, that we are going to understand how to register on GEM portal, how to activate GEM ID, instructions on updating details on mail.gov.in, so how to update profile, how to update number, transferring profile on GEM government ID, password. Just a second. Yeah. So how you can generate passwords. So these all are things related to GEM we are going to understand after this one. Then we have some more things over here about community day, right? So these all things we are going to discuss after Q&A and break. So moving to Q&A, I'm going to read some questions from the chat, and I will be going to answer. I hope this will help other teachers also, right? So just a second. I'm start reading the questions from the chat box. I would like to request you can write your questions in the chat. Also, teachers, if there is a question related to operation like tranche or utilization certificate. So as I already mentioned, next Saturday, means this Saturday, coming Saturday, we have one member from AM team who will join us, and they will address your questions directly. So if you have any question related to your school lab, you can directly ask them. And teachers, let me open the chat, and let me answer one by one. You just write me directly. I'll check your question. So namaste. Today, all only I was able to join as I came to know about this only by today morning. I missed the previous day meeting, which is exchange thing. Okay. I'm new. Okay. So if you have new, you are in group. We have already shared the day one link. Again, I will share day one link again with you. If you have missed something, you can watch the video and you can mark your attendance and other details as regular. Right. Then we have one question. Good morning. Okay. Let me open this one, and I'll answer you one by one over here. Yes. Please share the attendance link. So I request my team members, please share the attendance link, feedback form, group link to the people, those who have joined late. And from Saurabh, yeah, I am transcribing this call with my extension. Okay. No link received for attendance. Yeah, we are sharing the links, attendance link in the chat box. And the link, attendance link is same that was the shared yesterday. So you can use that one also. Then we have questions. I could not join WhatsApp group. It's showing full. So we have the third group link we have shared in the chat. You can join the third group if second group is full. Then we have some attendance link we have already shared. Okay. Attendance. Okay, attendance. I hope teachers you have all received the attendance problem. Can we purchase UPS to ATL lab as we have continuous power cut problems? Yes. Kiturani Chennamma Residential School, Karnataka. Yes, you can. As I showed in the PDF, there is an option, and I request you to you just go check, and you can purchase as per your point. Please share the attendance link. Okay. Thanks, sir. Going to the document. I hope you can get clarification for the group 2. Yes. Is there any project related to P3 package for class 6 to 8 student? Yes, there are projects which is related to P3, right? So it depends on students' creativity, like what type of project they design. Packages basically, it's not like we are dependent on packages that we have to create a project based on package. No, packages basically it's a tool, supporting tool. What type of the projects you are developing, if you need support of those tools, you can use that one, right? The amount of 5 years things. So what Niti is working on this one, like after 5 years, there's a AIM 2.0. It's been launched. I think you have heard that right now 10,000 schools are there in AIM 1.0. Now it's AIM 2.0, and it's a mission that around 50,000 labs are going to be set up next. Right. In the day one, Suman joined the call. Yesterday, Suman joined the call, and he has mentioned that we are now in the second phase. We are going to set up 50,000 more labs. And you, 10,000, you teacher from those 10,000, you are, kind of mentor for them. Right. So, equipments PDF. I'll share all the links. Thank you. Then we have some more Okay. I think this question is not there. Yes. So attendance form, feedback form, and WhatsApp group is there. I'm sharing some more all the links that we are discussed during this call. I request teachers you can save all these links with you. Just a second. I'm sharing procurement guidelines list. I'm sharing great and fun equipment list. So I'll be sharing these links in the chat box. Just a second. One, two, yeah. So I have shared one link, two links, and I'll be sharing more. Teacher, I would like to request you can save these links. This will help you. Also, I'm sharing how to create Facebook page, how to I'm also sharing Facebook link of Atal Innovation Mission Portal. Also, I'm sharing some more links related to ATL calendar. So five, so five links I have shared in the chat box. I would like to request please save these links. These links will help you. Community day I am sharing. So I have shared six links with you. You can use those links. Yeah. So let's do one by one. Anyone teacher want to share direct? I'm just changing the mic settings. Then we have a yes. So anyone want to share any feedback or something? We are open to take. Yes. So it's a Q&A round. Anyone, any teacher want to share? It's the mic is now yours. You can unmute yourself and yes. Anyone want to? Yeah. Hello.
Please share all links in the WhatsApp group, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible, sir?
This is your audible.
Yeah, sir. First of all, thanks for the wonderful training, sir. Actually, some queries we had. Our school ATL is functional from 2020. Yes. The utilization certificate generation and all, we are not very sure. So with vendor help, like few years we had actually generated utilization certificate. Now vendor is also not supporting. So further, how do we generate the utilization certificate is one query. Another is how do we apply for the next tranche?
Okay. So, sir, just to know one thing. Have you updated your last branch or queue? Like, have you updated your all the documents, UCs, like till?
That's what, sir. This year UC we have not updated the expenditure. Actually, we were doing with the vendors help for till last year.
Mhm.
So now actually vendor is also not available.
Right.
So we could
So first you have to clear all the last year UCs, right? And then you can apply for the next one.
okay. So can we get any help in utilization certificate generation, sir?
Yeah. So already, as I told that in AIMS portal, already there are a lot of tutorial videos, PDF supporting material is there. I request just go through that. Right. The complete guidelines are there. If how to upload UC, how to generate UC, how to yeah.
Deputy
So
are available for the
someone's mic is on. Can
deputy,
so you have
like
to go through those documents, guidelines, and then I think because I think yesterday also I covered that topic
Yeah, yesterday
about
actually
UT.
we were not able to join. Actually, we came to
Okay.
know about this training only today morning.
Okay. So already we have shared the recording also in the group. I request you can go through that where we have covered about UCs also, and there are some pre uploaded documents for reference.
Okay. And
Yes.
one more thing, sir. Actually, the recurring and non-recurring, what I understood from the UC is, it is not actually exactly matching. I think the 2 lakhs non-recurring and 10 lakhs non-recurring. So that is that an issue?
So recurring is basically when you have done your expenditure, right? When you submit all the bills and all, then next you apply for new tranche.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the process. First, you have to exhaust the
Yeah, we have
amount,
completed all the fund up to zero, and Bharat
then
Kosh
you can
also we have
okay.
Bharat
Okay,
Kosh
then
also we have uploaded the, I mean, sent the interest part.
all right. So that's what I recommend. First, you close the
Okay.
previous one, and then you can go for the next. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much,
So
sir.
one more query was there, sir. Actually,
Yes.
from ATL side, initially there was a mentor, maybe 1 or 2 months. After that, we have not got any mentor from the ATL side.
So as I told in the previous session also, mentoring is something volunteer. If someone want to
Okay.
support your school, they
Okay.
independent, they came in front and they select the schools. If it's a mentor of MOC, right?
Okay.
Yes.
So we need to approach someone for that.
Yes, if someone can help you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Next,
Thank you.
who want to?
Hello, sir.
Hello, who's this?
Sir, Remy this side. Sir, how do we know about like till which year we have already submitted the utilization certificates?
You can get the access from your portal. Is logged in, and you can
Same
check the
link, ma'am, to
past.
the WhatsApp attendance link.
I think someone is from background. You can check your past. Just let me mute. Yeah. So you can check your past history from the portal, and you will get to know what year they have submitted the UC. As I have shared one PDF also over there, it's mentioned. If you want to know more about UC, there's a guidelines. There are some steps. There are videos in Hindi and English for utilization certificate. So I recommend you can check those videos. This will definitely help you. Hello, Neeru Mittal ma'am.
Hello, sir. How are
Good.
you?
I'm good, ma'am. Good.
Okay, my
Yes.
question was that in the advent of AI now, we have
Mhm.
students are making a lot of projects on AI, and they're integrating it with the physical components. For example, one of my students has created a braille based on AI. So, can we buy new computers or laptops for the ATL lab from the tranche?
So it depends on the amount you have if you want to purchase new.
Okay.
Right. So I can't, I can't commit something regarding this financial part, but yes, as per the guidelines, you can check if it's there, if the budget is there, right?
Actually, in the
But
guidelines, it is a installation cost. It has been as an installation cost. But now,
yes.
since we have we got about this thing ATL grant in 2018, we got it with the tranche last year. So we want to upgrade.
So, ma'am, what for this? What I'll do, as I already told to all the teachers, on Saturday we have the team, those who's looking behind the operation work, right? So on Saturday they will join, and we can have one-to-one discussion with them on these financial related work topics, right? So on Saturday 11 a.m. The team will join on the same link. So that I also suggested to all the teachers also that you they can address your such questions.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
Sir, hello.
Good afternoon,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon.
sir. Sir,
Sir, actually, my query is regarding school innovation marathon.
Okay.
And every year we participate in a school innovation marathon, and we have great ideas. And I want to know proper procedure to submitting ideas and videos, because other school have copied ideas and they are selected for in school innovation marathon. But we have unique idea, but why we not selected.
No,
So
Just I want to just know about the proper procedure. Maybe we are
so
following wrong procedure.
yes,
That's
yes,
why
yes.
we are not selecting.
Yeah, yeah. So I think same question yesterday someone asked. So that's I told that we have a ATL marathon ka complete 3 hour ka session on day upcoming next coming days, where we are going to discuss the complete. Might be see, I just give an example. Might be your project is unique, right? Or maybe the way
unique
we
project
are.
is to in a
Uh,
showcase.
just a
In a
second.
showcase.
Sir,
Let me
actually,
In
mute.
a
there is
Let me just a second. I'll mute people. So maybe the project is unique, but might be the way of recording we are doing, the way of presenting, we are not going in a right way. So it can be a reason. There are many reasons, right? Because when ATL marathon submissions started or end, lakhs of projects people students submitted, but the way is if your unique idea is unique, your project is unique, maybe somewhere we are lagging, might be we are not recording in a proper way, the sound is not clear, or the features that we want to show, right, we are not focusing on that part, so it can be, so it depends on, so that's what we have one session on ATL marathon and how to shoot videos for marathon, how to submit a proper project. So this all we are going to cover in our next coming session. I hope this will definitely cover your queries, and not your, but a lot of teachers' queries. Teachers, I would like to request. It's a just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Just raise hand. I'll call the names one by one. You can raise your hands. I'll call the names one by one. Uh, yeah, thank you, Shubham. So definitely, it's a question for, I think everyone has the same question. So this is for all. Yeah. So next, who is next? Just raise hand. I will be calling your names one by one. And teachers, it's a break time. You can take a 15 minutes ka break. Then we will be joining back again on the same link. Do not leave. You can just have a break, and then we'll be going to cover many more things on ATL portal. So our next is Amrita. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Then
Good afternoon, sir.
yeah, good afternoon.
So my basic question, like one is related to the finances thing, which you said will be solved on Saturday. But sir, as
Yes.
like we have the school going on and we are on so many duties, can we have any of the sessions like after school so that we can attend them, or can we have some recorded session?
Ma'am, we have the recorded session. Actually, I have shared yesterday's recorded session with the teachers, those who are in the group. And if you are not available in the morning, you can watch the videos in the evening, and you can mark your attendance like we are doing in the morning time. Similarly, it's a kind of shift. We can say first shift, second shift. So you are available in the second shift, you can do the same process, mark your attendance, submit the feedback form, and other requirements. Yes. I hope this is not.
Okay, because of this reason only I have not registered myself because I was not available till 2. Today we
Okay,
are
okay.
free, but
No, please register, and you can watch it in the morning time, evening time when you are free. But it's compulsory that you have to mark your attendance on a same day. It's not like we are attending on a third day and we are marking on the day one attendance. No. For our the one who attend on for the 6 days, that we are actually
But sir,
looking
we only
for.
got the link for today, and this has started from 12th, I guess.
I'll share the recordings. I'll share the recordings. Join the group. I'll share the recordings. Team, I would like to request my team, please share the attendance form, the feedback form, and the group link for the teachers. Those who have not joined any group yet, please join our group third. And the teachers, those who are already in all the 3 groups or in 2 groups, I request please join only one group so the other teachers can also accommodate, because the groups are already full. And yes, so we
Okay,
have
and sir,
Mr.
the other
Yeah.
registers,
Hmm.
School Innovation Council, School Innovation Marathon, ATL,
Mhm.
they all are interlinked or they all are separate. And if we have registered for one, then we should not look for the other.
Sorry, come again. I didn't get. Come
So
again.
School Innovation Council, Student Innovation Marathon,
On.
then Atal Innovation Marathon. So there's so many things. They are interrelated, or like that is my question. Like because we have
Please.
opted for School Innovation Marathon. So is
So
it different from ATL?
no. So
This is a card.
these all are under AIMS umbrella. So it's like if students are interested in this one, they can go for this. If they are interested for this, they can opt at this. Right. So it's completely under AIMS. Right. So you can. It depends on like how many competition and events you want to participate.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. Then we have Shivam Rana.
हाँ यस गुड आफ्टरनून
Yes. Good afternoon.
हाँ सर जी वो ईमेल है ना हमको कल रात को मिला मतलब कल 11:30 बजे मिला
Okay.
मतलब रजिस्ट्रेशन आज हुआ है तो कल मतलब कल का सेशन में क्या क्या हुआ था और कौन सा पे
मैं
हाँ
उसके रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर दूंगा। आप ग्रुप 1 में रहिएगा, ग्रुप 3 जो है उसमें रहिएगा। मैं रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर कर दूंगा उसकी।
ओके मतलब जो अलग से कोई जो लिंक आई थी रजिस्ट्रेशन के वक्त वो वाला ग्रुप में मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया है अलग से कोई
ठीक
और
है।
ग्रुप में ज्वाइन
कोई
होना
नहीं,
है
आप नहीं, आप सिंगल एक ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। आप किसी एक ग्रुप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, उसमें वो आ जाएगा।
ओके ओके और सर ये
जी।
जो स्कूल इनोवेशन मैराथन होता है ना
हम्म।
हेलो
जी, बोलिए बोलिए।
हाँ सर मतलब हाँ तो उसमें जो प्रोजेक्ट हमारा जो सिलेक्ट होता है तो मतलब उसको आगे कब तक मतलब कौन से लेवल तक जाता है क्योंकि हमारे वहाँ है ना हमारे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है तो मतलब अभी जो लास्ट ईयर में तो मतलब वो अगस्त मंथ में वो ATL स्टार्ट हुआ था ना
हम्म।
तो वहाँ पे वो कंक्लूड वो सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे CSC सेंटर को सब कंक्लूड किया है ना ये ATL सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट
हम्म।
वाइज मतलब वहाँ है ना वो इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी मतलब वो IP में सब पेटेंट ग्रांट के लिए सब होता है तो मतलब जो प्रोजेक्ट हम इनोवेशन मैराथन में मिलते हैं तो वहाँ भी रखे तो सही है मतलब दोनों जगह से मतलब सिलेक्ट हो गया तो मतलब आगे क्या प्रोसेस होती है वो जानना था
देखिए, आपका जो है प्रोजेक्ट वो एम से रिलेटेड है, मैराथन से रिलेटेड है। तो सर मैं यही बोलूंगा कि इसका हमारा भी कल जो सेशन है एटीएल मैराथन का, उसके अंदर हम पूरा प्रोग्राम को लेके जाने, इसके बारे में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। राइट। SIP से रिलेटेड, SEP से रिलेटेड, ये क्या है कैसे, तो इसको हम कल अच्छे से आपको विस्तार में बता पाएंगे। राइट। आप जुड़े रहिएगा और हमारे सेशन अटेंड कीजिएगा मैराथन के ऊपर और SIP SEP के ऊपर, और हम इसमें हम इसमें बेटर गाइड कर पाएंगे। ठीक है।
श्योर श्योर श्योर
जी
सर
जी जी जी, धन्यवाद।
ओके थैंक यू
Yes. Yes. So, so teacher, it's a break time. Please have break. We will be again coming back at 12:45, and I'll take your doubts over there. Yeah. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome back. Around 467 teachers has joined right now. Uh, just let's wait for 1 minute. I hope all are joining. And I hope teachers you have received a communication mail from MDAM yesterday regarding this teachers training workshop. Uh, आपको कल एक मेल आया होगा एम की तरफ से और ये टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग वर्कशॉप के लिए और उसमें लिखा भी है कि अगर आप ट्रेनिंग को प्रॉपर अगर आप अटेंड करते हैं तो आपको एक को ब्रांडेड सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा बाय एम एलएलएफ एंड टेक्नोलॉजीज. So I request please on the last day I will be sharing some assignments, short assignments जिसमें आपको उनको फिल करना है प्रॉपरली अपने जो भी आप इस ट्रेनिंग से सीख रहे हैं आपको वो अपडेट करना है सो दैट उसके बिहाफ पे आपको सर्टिफिकेट्स जनरेट कर सकें. So you can just let me check some. I hope everyone has marked the attendance. If not, please let us know. We will share the attendance with you. You have some schools who has joined. Yes. Yeah, so moving to the next topic. I hope you are ready. Before that, if someone want to ask any question, anything, you can. Then we will be begin, and then we'll when we start, then we'll not be able to answer or take your doubt. So, अगर किसी को कुछ पूछना है, आप भी पूछ सकते हैं मेरे से quickly regarding today's session. Right? If you want to ask anything, आप पूछ सकते हैं. एंड पहले भी टीचर्स अगर आपने अटेंडेंस अपनी मार्क की है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लिया है तो बहुत अच्छा है. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के थ्रू आपसे प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन कर पाएंगे. एंड yeah, also
Sir, good afternoon.
good afternoon. Also one thing I want to share with all the teachers, जैसे अभी हमारी ट्रेनिंग चल रही है, the training right now it's going on. You can post that training also on your social media handle. You can click your good photos while attending the session. आप सेशन अटेंड करते हुए अपनी एक अच्छी फोटो ले सकते हैं टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग की, अपने स्टाफ की, या अगर आपके साथ आपके जो टीचर्स हैं जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है आप उनको अच्छी अच्छी फोटोग्राफ्स लेके आप उसको अपने एटीएल स्कूल फेसबुक पे पेज पे पोस्ट कर सकते हैं अनबॉक्स टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग के नाम से. आप उसमें अटल इनोवेशन मिशन, लर्निंग लिंक्स फाउंडेशन, डेल टेक्नोलॉजीज को भी अटैग कर सकते हैं. जिससे क्या होगा कि नॉट ओनली योर स्कूल बट इससे अदर जो हमारे साथ जो अदर एंटिटीज है वो भी देख पाएंगे कि एक्चुअली इन स्कूल्स ने ये सेशंस अटेंड किया है. जैसे लास्ट ईयर भी हमारे काफी टीचर्स थे जिन्होंने ये ट्रेनिंग अटेंड की थी एंड उन्होंने वो अपने फेसबुक पेज या सोशल मीडिया पे अपनी टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग की फोटोज अपलोड की थी और उन्होंने डेल टेक्नोलॉजीज एम एलएलएफ को टैग किया था. राइट, तो ये आप कर सकते हैं. तो teachers those who are attending the session, I'm just saying that you can click some good photograph of your teachers while attending the session and you can make it a post as a teachers training and you can post it on your social media post. I would like to request my team to please unmute if someone's mic is muted there. Yeah, so you can post it on social media platforms tagging AIM Niti Aayog.
Okay. You want to say?
Are you there?
Sir, sir, I want to join the WhatsApp group, but I don't.
Sorry, sir. I think you're on mute.
Sir, I want to join the WhatsApp group, but I can't find the WhatsApp group link. So from where I can get this?
My team members are sharing these links in the group. Again, I'll request my team members to share.
Share on which
Neeraj,
platform?
can you please check the chat box?
Okay. So, sir, please check the chat box. My colleague has shared the link. You can join through that. Yeah. So, moving ahead
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, we uploading all certificates in AIM portal in the last month, but we have not been received tranche to amount. at where we find the status of our
Yes.
transfer
So
amount.
again, I'm repeating for operational related works. We have a session on last day on 20th of September. Our team will join from there, and they will help you in your such operational related queries, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank
Yes. So now let's move to the next part that is very important, and I think this is something know before moving to just a second. Is my screen visible? ATL dash. Psych, can you see this one? Dashboard, my ATL dashboard.
Yes, Neeraj.
Okay, great. So, teachers, this is one of the important part of ATL lab, right? Uh, that is ATL dashboard. So, what is ATL dashboard? So, basically, as you know, that every school, if a student is there, he is having a report card, how he is performing, right? The performance data. This is logged over here. So this is if your school having a special unique ATL code, so your school is having a dashboard also. So टीचर अगर आपके पास पे डैश आपका एटीएल स्कूल है तो आपके पास पे डैशबोर्ड भी होगा जहां से आप अपना रिपोर्ट जनरेट कर सकते हैं कि क्या हमने काम किया है पूरे मंथ में राइट सो एवरी मंथ we fill our ATL dashboard so that Niti or AIM people will see the work this what we have done in the past month through this report. Let me just fit my screen. Just let me adjust my screen. I think this is the best. This is the best view you can. Right. So every month, basically, this Atal Tinkering Lab portal. If you have not seen, you just logged or you just search on Google ATL dashboard, and this type of page will appear where you have to mention your unique UID and your password, right? Through which you can easily access your dashboard data. Now we are going to discuss in brief about the ATL dashboard, and this is the only way by which you can share your impact stories, what activities you have done, what if any competition was there in your school, you can mention it over here. And right, so it generates a report card, right? So my ATL dashboard is in charge or the person who's maintaining the monthly reports. They can submit their reports on this portal, and it is mandatory for all the schools to fill these details on the dashboard. So this aim basically gives an opportunity to recognize your active participation and achievements and determines the sustainability of your next tranche of grant distribution. So as some of the teachers have the query, sir, I have not received the tranche. We have filled many times, right? So it was clearly mentioned over here aim not it's not like you are submitting your bills properly on time it also aims check the record also how the school is performing in the last 2 years 3 years right so how they track this status they track the status through ATL dashboard also this is also one of the part right how many monthly activities you are doing how many activities you are publishing on this portal even on the Facebook page right so these all are the things that we have to take care while we are submitting for the tranche. It's mandate to fill dashboard also to submit all your reports. Right. We are going to we are going to understand in depth about these thing the dashboard. So here the second tranche of grant will be released on utilization of the first tranche and successfully implementing of the ATL in the school. Right now, there are some steps to access the ATL dashboard. So what you have to do, you have to first on your browser, on your Google browser, you can open a website in portal, that is aim.gov.in, and then you can search for My ATL dashboard, which is available under the अटल टिंकरिंग ड्रॉप डाउन ऑप्शन. ठीक है. तो टीचर्स आप मैं ये बोल रहा था कि कई बार क्या होता है कि हम लोग अपने टाइमली सबमिशंस करते हैं, रिपोर्ट सबमिट करते हैं, जितने भी हमारे पुराना बिल्स है हम उसको सबमिट करके यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट अपने अपलोड करते हैं, नेक्स्ट चांस के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं. तो कई बार हमारी जो एम टीम है वो ये भी देखती है कि आपने पूरे साल भर में जो एक्टिविटीज करी हैं, क्या आपने उसको प्रॉपर अपने डैशबोर्ड पे अपडेट किया है, मतलब आपने क्या सारी रिपोर्ट्स प्रॉपरली अपडेट करी हैं. तो उससे अगर आप अपनी रिपोर्ट्स हर महीने अपडेट कर रहे हैं तो आपका रिपोर्ट कार्ड जनरेट होता है कि आपका स्कूल किस तरह से परफॉर्म कर रहा है. अगर आपने पूरे 12 महीनों में अपने रिपोर्ट डैशबोर्ड अपडेट ही नहीं किया है, दैट मीन्स कि वहां पे कोई भी काम नहीं हो रहा. ठीक है. तो अब हर महीने कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटी आप परफॉर्म करते हैं स्कूल के अंदर, वो अपने डैशबोर्ड में जरूर अपडेट कीजिएगा. तभी ये आपको मदद करेगा आपके अगले ट्रांच को लेने में. राइट. क्योंकि इन्होंने अपने गाइडलाइंस में भी मेंशन किया है, वही मैं सेम चीज आपको बता रहा हूँ, और जो कि शायद हमें कई बार पता नहीं होता, और हम लोग काफी ट्राई करते हैं कि हमें नेक्स्ट चांस मिले, बट वो नहीं मिल पाता. सो माइट भी इसका एक ये रीजन भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. डैशबोर्ड हमें मंथली बेसिस पे अपडेट करना है. नाउ तो कभी जब आप लॉग इन करेंगे एटीएल डैशबोर्ड को, तो आपको कुछ इस तरह का पोर्टल आपके सामने नजर आएगा, जहां पे आपसे वो दो चीजें मांगेगा. आपका एप्लीकेशन आईडी या यूआईडी और आपका पासवर्ड, और आपको ओटीपी के थ्रू या आपको कैप्चा के थ्रू उसको फिल करना होगा. जब उसको सक्सेसफुली एंटर कर लेंगे, साइन इन कर लेंगे, फिर आपसे कुछ बेसिक चीजें मांगता है. ठीक है. जैसे कि स्कूल डिटेल्स. So teachers, when you successfully log in you can sign up in your ATL dashboard portal to your UID and password. It will ask you some basic things. Basic things means school general informations, classes, students count, boys and girls ka ratio, right? Then advisory registration, partnership registration, mentorship registration, students ambassador registration. So this is the second page. So we will be going to discuss in detail about this page. The second one, that is, let me just make it quick. Yeah, this one. Yes, actually the page size is so, it's in the horizontal, so it's taking too much time to adjust. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Now it's clear. So this is the once you logged into your ATL dashboard page, there are four headers. One is the dashboard where you can review your report card. The second is the school details where you can fill your details of your school, then submit report, then change ATL contact information. So there are some teachers who are asking, sir, I'm not added in any WhatsApp group. Sir, I'm not able to access anything. So because I'm a new teacher and there was an ATL in charge who left the school, and so what you can do, you can update your information from this option. तो टीचर्स जो नए हैं जिनके जो किसी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में एडिट नहीं है, या आप कई बार ऐसा होता है कि पुराने इंचार्ज चले जाते हैं और हमारा कोई कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर हमारे उस पोर्टल पर अपडेट नहीं होता, तो आप यहाँ से अपना डिटेल अपडेट कर सकते हैं. चेंज एटीएल कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, और आप प्रिंसिपल का कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स चेंज कर सकते हैं. और उसके लिए कुछ गाइडलाइंस हैं, जैसे आपको अपने स्कूल लेटर हेड पे वो स्टैम्प के साथ, प्रिंसिपल के साथ, प्रिंसिपल के सर के साइन के साथ आपको उसको अपडेट करना होगा यहाँ पे. और उसके बाद आप रिक्वेस्ट डाल सकते हैं कि हमें अपना ये डिटेल चेंज करना है, तभी वो चेंज होगा, और उसके साथ साथ आपका जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे नंबर है वो भी अपडेट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो this is the school detail. You can update your school details over here. Like your URI's code, you can see over here. Name of the school will see over here. Your PFMS ID will show over here. The performance, the school national performance band, school regional performance band, school state performance band. So these are the bands. Band means the color bands, which shows your performance, your school performance, how you are performing the past month, how you're performing the past 6 months. So the color band will generate, which tells you the complete what we say is complete information about the status, right? So I hope most of the teachers are here. If anyone want to show their dashboard, I'll give them a chance to show your dashboard also. If you want to show something good, डेफिनेटली आई वांट राइट आई गिव ए चांस तो टीचर मैं चांस दूंगा आपको भी कि आप अगर कोई अपना डैशबोर्ड दिखाना चाहता है तो आप जरूर यहाँ पे दिखाइएगा किसी का अगर टॉप परफॉर्मिंग स्कूल है जिनका एटीएल स्कूल ऑफ द मंथ में कंटिन्यूअस 3 बार सिलेक्ट हुआ है तो आप भी यहाँ पे अपना स्कूल का डैशबोर्ड दिखा सकते हैं जस्ट बी रेडी विद योर स्क्रीन आफ्टर दिस सेशन ओके सो दिस इज द डैशबोर्ड then you can see the school has been placed in different bands based on their cumulative scores in order A, B, and C. I think my network is unstable. Okay. Yeah. So now let's move to the next one. This one. So this is something interesting. Let me just make it so. Yes. So this is modify school registration form. If you want to modify something school details, here is the form and you can modify your details over here. Now the first one is ATL code is fixed because you can't change the ATL code, you can't change the UDIS code, you can't change school name, you can't change these things, but you can change some other details. For example, you can change, I'll just scroll it down. You can change the video, like lab video. So there's an option that you have to paste the video of your lab, right? If your lab is modified, you have done some work in it, you can update the links over there. You can also update the receipt of ATL tranche 1 grant, or you can, also change some other details which is required, right? So even you can update your Facebook page also over here. If you have a school Facebook page, you can also update over here. Then let's move to the next one. Now, I hope this is visible, right? So these are the list of advisory people. How many, like if you have any advisory committee in your school for ATL, this list we have to update over here. So who can be a part of advisory committee, right? So it can be principal, ATL in charge, some representatives. You can even when you are filling your ATL dashboard, you can mention these things also, like who are the people, those who are in your advisory committee, principal in charge, representatives, their names, their qualifications. If you want to add or delete these informations, you can by using this option. Then you can select their advisory details and you can fill over here like their profile, name, education, their mail IDs, contact number, name, right, photo. This is what. So by filling these details, that means you have completely updated your ATL dashboard properly, right? Then you can see if the advisory person is from outside, or if it talks about partnership, like school as in a partnership with any industry, with any school, college, NGO, or with any industrial people. So you can fill their details also. Like for example, if any NGO is supporting your school, you can write. If any school or someone outside industry people are supporting you, you can mention them that their school ATL Lab has a partnership with academic people, industry partners, schools, right? So this you can modify or delete these details in your portal. So for example, I think a lot of schools have already adopted by AIM or with some different NGOs. So you can mention their names also in your dashboard, right? Then this is a complete detail, like which organizations is supporting you, the type of partnership, their address, website address, from which date they associated with your school, their contact number, associated person name. So these all of the information the school can fill, right? Now submit report. So how to submit report? So you can see here. Yes. So this is the details which are very mandate. So right now it's a old PDF which is showing 15, but nowadays it's changed. That is 5. So there's a fixed time, and even in Niti AIM also update time to time. Like this is the last date for submitting the reports, right? So there's a every month there's a fixed date by which you have to submit your reports. So even you can check your previous record also of your ATL lab. For example, if your lab is working since 2019, 18, and that time the in charge was different, right? You want to access, right? You can check by year or month the reports. Then activities. So there are three sections. So April month of the report is divided basically into three sections. What is monthly activity? Second is innovation projects, and third is monthly grant management. So टीचर्स एयरटेल मंथ so जो रिपोर्ट है हमारी वो तीन पार्टों में डिवाइड है. मंथली एक्टिविटीज में कितने इनोवेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स हमने बनाए हैं और ग्रांट हम किस तरह से फिल कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले हम समझेंगे मंथली एक्टिविटी में भैया आज हमने अपने महीने भर में क्या क्या काम करे. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इन दिस मंथ, द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त और द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर, व्हाट आर द गुड थिंग्स वी हैव डन, हाउ मेनी classes attended, how many classes came to the ATL lab as per the timetable, right? So that all informations we have to fill. Now here, if you see this section, ATL monthly report form, the first one is in the monthly activity, school students, other school students, and community students, right? We have to fill for the three type of beneficiaries, right? The one is school one, the other schools and community. So the number of schools students using the ATL in current month. So if you are a teacher, ATL in charge, and in the last month, if let's suppose the n number of classes came, n number of students attended your session, you have to write the number. How many number of workshops conducted in the current month for other schools? How many ATL mentoring sessions conducted in the current month? So these are some basic things, basic portions that you have to fill for the monthly activity, right? Now let's move to the next one. First we have covered monthly activities. Now we will be discussing about innovation projects, like how many projects developed in the month of September. For example, I'm filling for the September, or I'm filling for month of August. So I have to mention the number of projects, the innovative projects developed in this month. तो टीचर्स यहाँ पे आपने पहले मेंशन किया था कि कितने आपके स्टूडेंट्स आए थे आपके लैब में, आपने पिछले महीने आपको वो मेंशन किया. आप मेंशन करना कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके यहाँ पे बने, राइट? सो इफ यू सी ओवर हियर द इनोवेशन projects, I'm sorry, yeah, projects taken to community, projects, new innovative projects initiated this month, innovation projects running this month, innovation projects completed this month, number of patents if you have filed in the current month, or number of copyrights filed in this current month. So these are the some questions which is related to the innovation projects. Okay. So then monthly grant management, that is the third part of the ATL dashboard. Monthly grant management, it means whatever the financial related work has been done in the past month, you have to update all the information over here. So as per the guidelines available of grant aiding fund utilization, you can check in the below PDF that is related to equipments packages B1, 2, 3, 4. Procurement of laptops, projector, computer, or any other ATL related work, like for example, electrical fitting, whitewash, so chair, tables, storage boxes. These all are the things. If you have done any furnished, you have to, fill the complete details in the monthly grant management, right? So I'm just showing you how actually it seems, and even you can also check your ATL dashboard and you can fill accordingly. So if you can see here, it's showing amount in rupees spent from AIM grant, amount of rupees spent from other source. If you have the school have some other sources also, and you have used that source for your ATL lab, you can you have to mention that also, right? So like laptops, if you purchase some laptops, limit is 1.5 lakh, they have mentioned, right? That you can fill over here. And for other source, from which source the lab got the fund. It's from school management source or society, it's from central government or state government, or from some social responsibility, like from NGO or from individual, right? That you have to mention over here. Then how much for package, P1, P2, P3, P4, there's a limit of 6 lakh. as per this page that you are seeing right now, but you can check time to time. It can be vary, so you can check on that time what was the limit. So ATL equipment, how much money has been spent. Then for furniture and refurbishment of the ATL, that is for 1.5 lakh, right? The advanced prototype and school specific requirement. Advanced prototyping is basically 3D printer. So right, then no limit is there. Then miscellaneous, that is limit is 50,000. Miscellaneous means if you are ordering something for that is not mentioned over there, that comes under miscellaneous. Right. Then ATL workshops. So there are some other expenditures also. Like suppose you have organized a workshop in your school or your students attended some workshops that is outside. Right. Mentoring sessions also. ATL innovation camps, patenting copyrights. If you have spent something for patents, then purchasing of consumer means it can be 3D printed filaments. So this kind of things. Then do you have PDF or image of bills receipt of the current month? Yes and no. If you have, then definitely they will ask, right? So these are some basic things that you have to be with you, update it on a monthly basis, because that give a complete clarity for the next tranche, right? So this is the next one, dashboard. So when you complete all your the required whatever it was asked by the data dashboard, when you fill complete information on behalf of that, this kind of reports generates. So the color band you can see over here, it's a color band which tells your school status. Like if it's completely green, that means financially commitment. So basically these are the parameters, right? Parameters: average, poor, average, good, right? And it depend on color band. Okay, now you can see which color your school have. Then change ATL contact information, which is the best, I think I like, because for many of the teachers always want, sir, I want to change my number, my in charge got transfer, how can I do this one? So here in the ATL dashboard, we have an option to change the details, contact details. So you have to write your email ID, your new phone number, and then you can submit your details from this one. Then for any convenience, inconvenience, and queries, there's a portal aim. They will resolve within 48 hours. Yes. Okay. And still, if not, there might be there's some issue. Definitely for that, we are here to help you this one. So I hope teachers, this is regarding the ATL complete information for ATL dashboard. And I hope a lot of things gets cleared. आपको समझ में आया होगा कि काफी सारी चीजें एटीएल डैशबोर्ड को लेकर के कि आप एटीएल डैशबोर्ड के अंदर जब ये सारी चीजें फिल करेंगे, आपका एक कलर बैंड जब जनरेट होगा, तब आपको पता चलेगा कि आपका किस कलर में आपका जो ग्राफ है वो जनरेट हुआ है, और अभी क्या क्या ऐसे काम है जो मुझे करने हैं जिससे शायद मेरा स्कूल ऑफ द मंथ, एटीएल स्कूल ऑफ द मंथ में मेरा स्कूल सिलेक्ट हो। और एटीएल स्कूल ऑफ द मंथ में सिलेक्ट होने का मतलब होता है कि आपका स्कूल जो है वो एटीएल है, वो बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग एटीएल है, जो कि आपको ज्यादा चांस देता है आपके नेक्स्ट चांस के लिए। तो बहुत फैक्टर होते हैं, जैसे मैंने बताया और आपको सामने दिखाया भी था कि ये कुछ वे हैं जिससे आप अपने लैब को और बेटर बना सकते हैं। और लैब को बेटर बनाने के बाद आप अपने बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्कूल्स में, या जिसे हम कहते हैं कि आपके रीजन में, आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आपके स्कूल्स सेलेक्ट होंगे। ठीक है, चलिए। सो जिससे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट द टीचर्स दोस हु हैव जॉइंड, kindly mark your attendance. I would also request to please give us feedback, small feedback about the session. If you really enjoyed the session, I need feedback and appreciation also. If you want to share some written appreciations, then definitely because last time some teachers shared some written appreciations letters on their school letterhead. I have those letters. I posted those letters on reports on social media also. That letter I have, I'll share some letters with you on your group. So कुछ letters मेरे पास आए थे. I don't know because I'm in Delhi, but some school from Karnataka, and मुझे कर्नाटका लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, but he wrote on his letterhead and he shared me on my WhatsApp personal number, and एंड आई वाज लाइक शॉक्ड. मैंने कहा अच्छा, तो उनके प्रिंसिपल ने अपने स्कूल लेटर हेड पे बड़ा अच्छे से मतलब उन्होंने लिख के दिया था कि सर एक्चुअली वी आर रियली दिस द ट्रेनिंग विच इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय डेल एंड एम really helping us for 20 hours. So definitely, if someone is doing, it's a great for me, and it motivates me to conduct such more sessions every year, right? So for that, I also created WhatsApp group. So if you have any query, you can ask anytime. Yes. So moving ahead, before moving ahead, I hope you all have marked your attendance. ATL Facebook pages link is there, calendar link is there, and I will be sharing the links in the to everyone. Please, if you have not marked attendance till now, please mark your attendance. You can join the WhatsApp group and feedback form is there. Yeah. So before moving ahead, teachers, आप अगर अपना कोई आप फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं तो आप फीडबैक वहाँ पे शेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड अगर आप कोई रिटर्न फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप, मैं वही बता रहा था कि मुझे कुछ कर्नाटका के टीचर्स ने अपने लेटर हेड पे लास्ट ईयर बहुत अच्छे अच्छे रिटर्न, प्रिंसिपल ने एक्चुअली रिटर्न फीडबैक्स दिए थे कि अबाउट दिस सेशन जो हमारे एम और डेल लर्निंग फाउंडेशन आप टीचर्स के लिए करवा रहा है, विच इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. तो मैं डेफिनेटली मैं आपके साथ वो शेयर भी करूंगा. एंड अगर इस टाइम भी कोई करना चाहता था तो डेफिनेटली इट gives me a motivation to work more for you. So I'm now over to you teachers. That anyone want to share your dashboard? कोई अपना dashboard दिखाना चाहेगा? Just raise your hand. I just want to just give some live demo because I do not want to open someone's ATL dashboard without permission. Right? I do not want कि मैं किसी का ATL dashboard open करूँ. So if someone want to share their ATL dashboard reports or want to show some demo, so yes, Hira Mani School or Children High School, I think you have raised the hand. Children High School, you want to say something? Okay, Shubham sir is there. DAV Public School is there. Yes. Okay. Just write in the chat. मैं यहाँ से I'll open. I'll take your team. Just let me know because there are a lot of chats right now. I'm not able to address it properly. I'll just open. Okay. I'll do one thing. I'll open it for all. You just write the one who want to share screen. Please write. Anyone want to share? Anyone want to share the dashboard? Yes, sir. Okay. Siddha Gowda Patil. Then Sunil Kumar will take 2 or 3. Okay. So yes. So I will be giving you access. The one is Siddha Gowda Patil. Can you hear me? Yeah, I know the ATL dashboard that I'm showing you. This is a previous one because I'm using the old. I'm making you post. Can you share your screen and can you show us your screen ATL dashboard? Siddha Gowda Patil.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, sir.
Yes. So this is just a kind of sharing that what actually a teacher how to update dashboards.
दाखवा थांबा की 10,000 लोक बघतात असतात त्याच्यात तुमचं स्कूल आहे काय म्हणून म्हणतो.
Let me share my screen also. I think I will remove as a pin spotlight. Yes. Pin. Please update your group, update your dashboards, and also AIM team will join on Saturday, and you can ask your questions and doubts. Sanjay Godawat International School. Okay. I think I know this school. There's one person, Akshay Patil was there as it in charge in that school sometimes back. That school is from Maharashtra, Kolhapur. I know because I've worked with a lot of schools, so Kolhapur sir. Yeah, I know Sanjay sir is there. He was in charge in 2022. I remember. Sir, are you sharing your screen? Siddha Boda sir? Or should
1
I
minute,
call?
I'm just
Okay, okay.
putting a OTP.
Okay. Yeah, because OTP require all the time when you log into ATL dashboard. That is also. So other teachers, if you are trying, you can also try to log in your ATL dashboard right now. And most of the times, if you do not know the ATL ID and password, you can use your ATL ID and same it as a password. Sometimes it is same. ATL ID and passwords are same, so you can try to access by that also. If you do
But sir,
not
OTP
know
नहीं आता है.
OTP नहीं आता है, तो that means the number is someone other number is there. Okay,
Sir, is it
so
visible?
yes, sir, visible. It's visible. So I can just read. I'll read. Your school name is LMF Bhartesh English Medium School, Belgavi. This is your UDICE code. This is your PFMS ID number, and yeah. So oh, good. So this is how you are updating your students' numbers on a monthly basis. January 250 students using ATL, 50, February 320, March 10, 10, 0, 10. Oh, great. I think it's a during April, May, and June. There's election. That time schools closed in Karnataka. That I know. My team is working in Karnataka also. So great. I think you have. Yellow performance band. Okay, great. Yeah,
Sir,
sir. This
this month, after 15, it will get updated, sir. If you want to see
yes.
previous one, it will show you exactly. August till they have not updated, it seems. But
Hmm.
July, you can see here.
Good.
July, we received even state level and national level, they will update your band also,
Okay.
how your
Yes.
school is performing.
Yes. It's showing excellent school state of performance band.
Last July, we have got, sir, as a school of the month in July also.
Okay. So this is actually teachers, the other principals and teachers, those who are watching. This is the way you have to update your dashboard.
And
So
if you
this.
want to submit now, sir, just completely change it. That you can easily see here.
Mhm.
Lot many things have been changed in present. Actually,
Right.
now August already I have submitted, but September we still it is not enabled, sir.
Not enabled, right. Because September we have to submit the report in the month of October. Right.
Yeah.
It's right now 16. You have to submit your report till 10th of October.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing such details. Uh, yeah.
Even you can download the report. Everything is available here, sir. Whatever things you will put, that will be given.
Right. I think you
Even
are one of the.
nowadays they are sending monthly report to their respective registered mail also, sir.
Yes. This time they are very active and sharing all this information sparingly. Great, sir. I think this is good. I really appreciate that you have come up and shared your reports. And I think this is help the other teachers also to understand why it is important to fill dashboards. Right. So this will give you a chance to, for next tranche and all. Right. Thank you so
Yeah, sir.
much.
Fortunately, we have received second trans also, sir. Third trans we have applied and it is accepted in March itself. But
Okay.
still, they have not released the fund, it seems.
So there's
Recently, I talked with Suman sir. He told that around third quarter we will receive that fund.
Yes. So there's a timeline basically for these things, right? Because a lot of
Yeah.
schools are applying and they release the fund, at same time for all the schools. So still schools are applying, filling these things. Yes. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing. Uh, yes. Yes. So, teachers, I hope this is one of the example how ATL dashboard actually helps us to fill, help us to get recognition. अगर आप एटीएल डैशबोर्ड फिल कर रहे हैं तो आपको ये एक एग्जांपल सर ने दिखाया कि एटीएल डैशबोर्ड फिल करने से आपको किस तरह से आगे मदद होगी, हो सकती है आपको, और ट्रांचेस के लिए या अदर पैरामीटर्स के लिए। स्कूल ऑफ द मंथ भी कई बार आप, अगर आप देखा होगा आपने। मैं आपको एक छोटा सा क्विक डेमो में आपको मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ। जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट। सो कभी आप, अगर आप गूगल पे जाते हैं और आप एटीएल डैशबोर्ड और सर्च करते हैं, वेट, गूगल, आई होप माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल, दिस वन, ATL dashboard. Yes. So teacher, whenever you want to open ATL dashboard, what you have to do, you just need to write ATL dashboard, POARD, dashboard on your Google, and this screen will appear. Then what you need to do, you just have to open the first one. I'll show you. If you have not seen, I'll show you how it actually looks like. So this is the ATL dashboard portal. You need to write your application ID, UID, and your password. Okay. Then mouse is not working actually properly. So this is, I'm just taking I'll just check will it be open or not, because I think this is 039H. I don't know if it will work or not. No, it will not working. So leave it. So this is where you can fill the data. Now, if you forgot your ID and password, click on the forgot and then write your username. User means your unique ID. You have to write over here. For example, I'll just take random number, and then it will send a OTP to that number, right? So if the principal is already there in your school or the in charge is there in the school, you can change the further details. You can change the password from here, right? So I'll just go back because I do not want to change this one. Then there are some other things. If you have any trouble on using the portal, like please use ATL unique ID or username, or it will says to log in. Or can you read the fifth point? To update your school registered email ID, please fill up this form. So if you want to update your school email ID, there's one form. When you click the form, it will ask some basic details. Also, it will ask to take a, to write on a written on school's letterhead, to write an application on school's letterhead. So it will ask some basic things like school name, ATL code, Jurais code, district, which state from you are belonging, and your contact number, and then your school mail ID, principal details. And at the end, when you visit at the end, now you can see upload the new details of the school on the school letterhead, signed and stamped by the principal. Please note that this is compulsory for changing my ATL dashboard and PFMS login. So if you have such issues with this credentials, you can just write a written letter on a letterhead, and you can just upload over here and submit the form. This will also help you to update or to access the dashboard. Right? Is this clear? Great. Now let's we'll move to the next one. ATL we have closed, dashboard we have done. Then we have SIP, and SIP we are going to cover this on ATL. ATL marathon on that time. ATL user manual we have done. I will share this link to the group. Then we have equipments and GEM ID that we will cover on Sunday. I will be talking about ATL Community Day. So I think Community Day we have seen that every year on the month of April we celebrate Community Day. So there is some guidelines for Community Day also, how to celebrate, sharing with AIM Niti Aayog. These are some topics, or we can say agenda of the ATL Community Day. How much you can spend 5,000 for 100 community students you can spend. So they have mentioned about all the things over here, right? What type of activities you can do during the on community day, right? Active 1, activity 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 8, 9, 10. I think 10 activities are they have defined. So everything is they have mentioned. That also next time you can on April, in the month of April, you can celebrate community day in your school, right? So tomorrow we will be discussing in depth on GEM portal, and then tomorrow we are going to start the technical concepts. Means we are going to start uh, programming. We are going to start learning about electronics, robotics, programming, and much more. So tomorrow's session is going to be very fruitful because till now we have understand about the basic principles of ATL, how ATL lab work, about the basic concepts. If I say if you are a new teacher or if you are old teacher, obviously some things we know, some things we do not know. हमें कुछ पता होता है, कुछ नहीं पता होता. तो हमने कुछ बेसिक चीजें कवर करी हैं आज के इस सेशन में, और कल के सेशन में हम और भी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हम समझने वाले हैं. और कल से हम टेक्निकल अपने ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. जैसे कि हम आर्डिनो के बारे में सीखेंगे, सेंसर्स के बारे में सीखेंगे, हम प्रोग्रामिंग कोडिंग के बारे में सीखेंगे, और ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें सीखेंगे. आपसे बस मेरा रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि आप अपना फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल करते जाइए. एंड इफ समवन, अगर आप चाहते हैं, इफ यू वांट तो आप एक रिटर्न फीडबैक भी अगर आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन शेयर मी ऑन द ग्रुप. आपका जो जहाँ पे आपको पोस्ट आते हैं, यू कैन डायरेक्टली शेयर टू अस. सो दिस विल गिव अस अ चांस टू do something extra continuously. I'm speaking for 3 hours, so that gives a boost. So that boost I need from you. So teachers, tomorrow we are going to learn. My team will be there. They are going to take sessions on 3D printer, AI, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, electronics, sensors. Please invite your other teachers so they join. They also learn. We will share the recordings. And thank you so much for your likes and hearts. I can see बहुत सारे आपके likes और यहाँ पे emojis आ रहे हैं. And thank you so much. This actually helps us. And मैं कुछ 6 मिनट के लिए माइक मैं ऑन करूंगा इफ समवन वांट टू एक्चुअली शेयर. यस, सो ओवर टू यू, द स्टेज इज योर्स. सर, कोई अगर किसी को इफ वांट टू शेयर एनीथिंग.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
यस 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 यस.
हेलो.
हेलो सर, मुझे आपकी आवाज आ रही है, बोलिए.
जी सर, मुझे एक डाउट था. मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे बच्चे आईआईटी गुवाहाटी में अभी अभी रिसेंटली गए थे. वहाँ पे टेक एक्सपो प्रोग्राम था और वहाँ पे 1.36 लाख स्टूडेंट्स में से टॉप 5 में बच्चे आए हैं. तो हाँ सर, क्या तो हमारे यहाँ जो एटीएल लैब है इसमें सर हम ड्रोन इनोवेशन और रोबो वॉर और ये एक्वा वार, लाइन फॉलोइंग, ये सब भी कराना चाहते हैं. तो इसके लिए भी कोई एक स्पेसिफिक ट्रेनिंग या कोर्स एटीएल वगैरह देता है, एटीएल नीति आयोग, तो उसी हिसाब से बच्चों को और ट्रेनिंग दिए जा सके.
उसके लिए मैं ये रिकमेंड कर सकता हूँ कि अगर आप एटीएल के पोर्टल पे जाएं, वहाँ पे आप रिसोर्सेज दिखेंगे ना, आपको ड्रोन्स, ग्राफिक्स, इन सब का ऑलरेडी पूरे प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है ना. तो आप उससे जाके सेल्फ ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं. बट जो हमारी नीति आयोग की तरफ से कोई ट्रेनिंग होती है तो कोई इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप के लिए ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती, वो बल्क मास लेवल के लिए होती है. जैसे अभी आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे तकरीबन आज 700 से 800 टीचर्स ने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. तो उसमें कोई स्पेसिफिक एक टॉपिक नहीं होता, उसमें हम स्पेसिफिक थोड़ा थोड़ा हर चीज लेके चलते हैं ताकि सबको हर चीज की नॉलेज हो. हम एक गाइड, हम एक वे दिखा सके. वी कैन शो यू अ वे This is the portal from where you can access the data. This is the portal from where you access these things, right? We are not specifically taking focusing on a one school. We are focusing on 800 schools. So right now, if there are 800 teachers, so I can assume 800 schools has joined today's session, right? So we are covering group topics. Yes.
Good afternoon,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Okay.
Good
Thank you, sir.
afternoon. Thank you.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
sir. सर मैं जम्मू से बोल रहा हूँ, जम्मू आर्मी स्कूल से बोल रहा हूँ।
APS, एक
APS
सेकंड,
मीनन साहब।
APS मीरन साहिब, ओके।
जी सर, एक्चुअली हमें क्वेरी था रिगार्डिंग कि क्या हम स्कूल फ्रॉम नीति आयोग कोई मेंटोर हायर कर सकते हैं हम? क्या नीति आयोग के थ्रू हमें मेंटोर ऑनलाइन और एनी अदर वे क्या हायर कर सकते हैं फॉर 1 to 2 hours?
आप देखिए, उसका उसका ये प्रोसीजर है कि क्या आपके यहाँ किसी एनजीओ के थ्रू किसी एनजीओ ने सपोर्ट करा है? बिकॉज आई नो एपीएस में दमाना है, एपीएस जम्मू कैंट है, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी सुनजुआन भी है, वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी लर्निंग विंग्स के कुछ ट्रेनर्स हैं जो सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। और अगर नहीं भी है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल बी इन टच। हम वहाँ पे और भी सपोर्ट के लिए हम हेल्प करेंगे, राइट? और
सर क्या हम इसके लिए ऑनलाइन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज हमने
नहीं, ऑनलाइन जी, उसके लिए
ओके
क्या होता है, कि यू कांट ऑनलाइन। कोई अगर सेल्फ वॉलंटियरिंग आपके स्कूल को सपोर्ट करना चाहता है तो वो उस तरह से कर सकते हैं।
ओके
यस यस।
सो इट इज जैसे बाकी स्कूल से हमने कंफर्म किया था, दे आर ऑप्टिंग फ्रॉम एलएलएफ, फ्रॉम लर्निंग लिंक फाउंडेशन, दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग
दैट इज अ Right, that is a program actually. It's by Atal Innovation Mission Learning Foundation Data Technologies. They have adopted more than 200 schools, government schools, basically. So they are supporting. But yes, once the year is over, next they move to the new schools. So might be next year, आपके school will be there in that list.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, it's my question is regarding return interest, sir. Shall I ask, sir?
Ma'am, interest on Saturday we have the session. We have the session on Saturday, and the team will be there who will guide you, help you in this interest related. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, last 4 years we are returning the interest, but it's working properly.
I know.
This year is we can't.
Ma'am, that's what I said. On Saturday, the team will join. They are actually from the finance or operation department. They will address your these queries as I told to every teacher. On Saturday, please join on 11 a.m. The team will be there and they will be taking the such queries. Yes.
Okay,
Then
sir,
we children high school, ma'am, raise her hand.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
सर वो
हेलो,
क्या बोलिए स्कूल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी लर्निंग
जी हाँ। हेलो सर, ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि ऑर्डिनो या रास्पबेरी पाई का कोई प्रोग्रामिंग वगैरह या इस तरह का बुक मिल जाए तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। तो ये कहाँ से लिया जाएगा ये सब तरह?
सर कल से जो हम सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे वहाँ पे आपको लिंक्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे। वहाँ पे पूरी बुक्स हैं हमारे पास आर्डिनो से रिलेटेड, तो उसके थ्रू आप कर सकते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
जी
सर
आज का जो सेशन था बहुत अच्छा था, और इसमें जो आज आपने पूरा डिटेल बताया, इसका अगर पीडीएफ ग्रुप में शेयर कर देंगे so that is so far so good.
Yes. So link already I have shared in the chat. I'll share the resource material also.
Marvelous
Okay, thank
afternoon,
you,
sir. Marvelous afternoon, sir.
Public school. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sir, actually, I'm from Jharkhand, sir, Ramgarh. I just want to ask, sir, please organize some offline training also, sir.
Okay, ma'am. I'll connect with some people who are from Ramgarh. I know they will help you. Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. I have some people who are from Ramgarh, so definitely they will help you. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, from Dharwad, Karnataka. I could not attend the webinar yesterday, sir.
Yes, sir. I'll share the recordings.
Please,
for
please.
yesterday. Yes,
हाँ,
yes, yes.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Just a second. Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir.
Jesus, awesome.
The
Yes.
yesterday's as well as today's also, sir. Please, today also because I joined a little bit late.
Okay, no problem. I will share the recordings, sir. Ensure the recordings.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. We'll share the recording. Who's next?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
सर मैं भारतीय विद्या मंदिर भद्रवाह से बात कर रहा हूँ, जम्मू कश्मीर से।
भारतीय विद्या मंदिर, ओके।
जी सर। सर हमारा डैशबोर्ड का ना जो स्कूल में बेसिक डिटेल्स है वो थोड़ा सा गलत है, जैसे कि हमारा स्कूल टाइप इसमें लिखा हुआ गवर्नमेंट। मैं काफी देर से इसको चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, स्कूल
काम आया
कॉन्टेक्ट।
आपका दिया था ना
वो
बटन
आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते
बटन
क्योंकि जब आपने फिल किया था उस टाइम पे वो गलत अपडेट हुआ होगा शायद, तो इसके लिए आप इनको रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए। नहीं तो
हाँ।
आप एक बार सैटरडे को मैम आएंगे, आप उनसे बात कीजिएगा, दे विल गाइड यू।
अच्छा सर, तो सर क्या हमारा जो सेकंड ट्रेंच नहीं आ रखा है वो भी इसकी वजह से आ रखा?
माइट भी कुछ भी रीजन हो सकता है उसका। बहुत क्राइटेरिया, देयर लॉट ऑफ क्राइटेरिया फॉर ट्रांस टू, राइट। जैसे वन ऑफ द वन इज द डैशबोर्ड, so there can be any reason, right? So yes, yes.
ओके सर, ठीक है। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
Who's next?
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून।
Good afternoon.
सर हम शुभम शुक्ला बोल रहे हैं, केंद्रीय विद्यालय रांची से, दीपाटोली रांची से।
अच्छा, केवी दीपाटोली रांची। जी सर, बोलिए।
हाँ जी। तो सर हमारे साथ एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है कि एक्चुअली 2019 में हमारे यहाँ एटीएल लैब जो है वो मतलब इस्टेब्लिश हुई थी। उसके बाद हम तो अभी मतलब ज्वाइन किए हैं, और इससे पहले जो इंचार्ज है वो भी मतलब जस्ट 1 ईयर पहले ही ज्वाइन किए हैं। तो जो यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट उसको जो
एक
करना
सेकंड,
है।
आपकी आवाज आवाज रिपीट हो रही है।
आवाज में रिपीट हो रही है।
जस्ट अ सेकंड। बोलिए सर, बोलिए। आपकी आवाज रिपीट हो
अब
रही थी,
नहीं हो
बट
रही थी
ठीक है।
शायद।
अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है।
ओके।
यस
हाँ,
यस यस।
तो सर हमको यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट जब हमें भरने को बोला जा रहा है तो उसमें वो रिकरिंग और नॉन रिकरिंग तो अलग अलग एक्सपेंडिचर वाले भरने हैं। अब सर प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अकाउंट तो एक है, हम ये इंटरेस्ट कैसे पहचाने कि कौन सा इंटरेस्ट रिकरिंग वाले का है और कौन सा इंटरेस्ट नॉन रिकरिंग वाले का है।
अच्छा, तो उसमें आप उसमें मेंशन नहीं है कि आपके
नहीं सर, अकाउंट अकाउंट तो एक ही है ना, उसमें तो टोटल इंटरेस्ट हमें पता है कितना है हमारा। लेकिन अब जब हम
मैं
प्रूफ भर रहे हैं तो यूटिलाइजेशन। हाँ जी।
आप पीटी इंचार्ज हैं या नहीं आप?
हम तो एयरटेल इंचार्ज नहीं है, एयरटेल इंचार्ज हमारे पीजीटीसीएस है, लेकिन हम उनके साथ सपोर्टिंग में काम सारा हम ही करते हैं उसमें।
आप ऐसा कीजिएगा, आप पीटी इंचार्ज और प्रिंसिपल से रिक्वेस्ट कीजिएगा कि आपके यहाँ वो संजीव सर आते हैं ना,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
उनको बोलिएगा मेल करें मेरे को, ठीक है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। हालांकि हमारी उनसे बात हुई थी तो उसमें
हाँ,
नहीं
आप
कुछ हो पाया,
मेल
तभी हम।
आप मेल करवा दीजिए, मैं देख लेता हूँ।
ठीक है सर, ओके ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी
चलिए,
मच।
ओके ओके। या नेक्स्ट।
हेलो सर।
हेलो।
सर मेरा डाउट एटीएल डैशबोर्ड से है। एटीएल डैशबोर्ड में जब हम फिल करते हैं तो वहां पर नंबर ऑफ एटीएल वर्कशॉप्स कंडक्टेड और नंबर ऑफ एटीएल मेंटरिंग सेशंस कंडक्टेड, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? मतलब जो क्लासेस हम ले रहे हैं वो एटीएल वर्कशॉप्स में आएंगे या एटीएल मेंटरिंग सेशंस में आएंगे?
Mentoring session means someone from outside came to your school or is doing some mentoring session. For example, there's a boot camp going on, right? It's under mentorship. जैसे SIP के अंदर बच्चे select हुए हैं, they are mentoring by some expert people. That comes under mentorship. Workshop is something that कोई big level पे कुछ चीजें हो रही हैं जिसमें बहुत crowd students हैं, right? So there's a difference. Mentorship is basically for the specific people. कुछ specific लोग हो रहा है।
हेलो सर।
सो जैसे अगर मेंटोरिंग सेशंस में अगर वो कोई आउटसाइड पीपल है जो आएगा तो हम ये असाइन कहाँ से कर सकते हैं? मतलब कि कोई पर्टिकुलर और मंथ में जैसे एक क्लास या 2 सेशन जैसे भी प्रोवाइड कर सके वो हमें, तो ये कैसे पॉसिबल होगा?
नहीं, वो मेंटरशिप सुनो, आपको एक बार ये क्लियर करना है कि मेंटरशिप के किस तरह के सेशंस आपको, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत तरह के सेशंस होते हैं। मेंटरशिप मतलब किसी स्पेशल प्रोजेक्ट पे फोकस करके मेंटर चल रहा है, जैसे एसआईपी है, एससीपी चल रहा है, वो उस तरह का कोई अगर सेशन, दैट इज अंडर मेंटरशिप के बच्चों को मेंटोर किया जाए किसी स्पेशल चीज के लिए। वर्कशॉप क्या होता है जहाँ पे रैंडम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने एरोडायनेमिक्स के वर्कशॉप्स करवा दिए हैं जिसमें बच्चे जैसे अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, है ना, तो उस तरह से यू हैव टू क्लियरली डिफाइन कि किसको कहाँ पे फिल करना है। रेगुलर क्लास कर रहे हैं तो आपको उसको रेगुलर क्लास बताना पड़ेगा कि आप लास्ट मंथ आके पूरे मंथ में कितने बच्चे रेगुलर अटेंड कर रहे थे क्लासेस या कितनी क्लासेस एक्चुअली हुई हैं। तो वो आपको क्लियरली इस तरह से उसको आपको डिफाइन करना पड़ेगा इसके अंदर अपने एरिया डैशबोर्ड में।
हेलो सर।
यस।
सर नमस्कार, मैं सुनील चौरसिया छत्तीसगढ़ से। सर आवाज आ रही है?
जी जी आवाज आ रही है।
सर एक्चुअली मेरे 3 मॉडल इस साल पिछले साल एसआईपी में सेलेक्ट हुए हैं, है ना। तो एसआईपी के लिए अगर मुझे कुछ गाइडलाइन चाहिए, वीडियो तो जारी हुआ है, अभी मैं देखा हूँ 4-5 वीडियो हो चुके हैं हमारे एआईएम से। बट अभी अगर मुझे फील्ड पे कोई जानकारी चाहिए या मेरे मॉडल को और अपडेट करना है तो मेंटोर का सिलेक्शन कैसे होगा, कैसे मैं उसको डिसाइड चूज कर सकता
वो
हूँ?
वो आप जिस एसआईपी जिस कंपनी के थ्रू आप आपका स्कूल का एसआईपी चल रहा है ना। तो जैसे अब मुझे अभी नहीं मालूम बट अगर जिसके भी थ्रू एसआईपी चल रहा है। यू कैन प्लीज अनम्यूट। या तो आपका जिसके थ्रू एसआईपी चल रहा है वो आपको कुछ मेंटोर्स प्रोवाइड कराएंगे।
सर एक और डाउट था, जैसे आज ही एक मीटिंग थी सीम से रिलेटेड, स्कूल इनोवेशन मिशन से। उसमें 50 बच्चों को लॉग इन करने बोल रहे हैं, है ना। तो जैसे मैं लास्ट ईयर 25 प्लस आइडियाज सबमिट किए थे, उसके लिए कोई अलग से सर्टिफिकेट जारी होता है क्या? क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर था ऐसा कुछ कि 25 प्लस आइडिया अगर आप सबमिट करते हैं तो कुछ स्पेशल सर्टिफिकेट स्कूल को जारी किया जाएगा।
मुझे इसको देखना पड़ेगा मुझे इसके बारे में क्योंकि मुझे भी आइडिया नहीं है आपने कौन सी मीटिंग आज अटेंड करी है। बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही हैं नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम एम, बाहर से भी हो सकता है। तो मुझे इसके बारे में अपना आइडिया नहीं है आप किस चीज की बात कर रहे हैं। तो हो सकता है आप जिस मीटिंग में आप ज्वाइन थे आगे तो आई गेस अगर आप उनसे आप पूछेंगे तो आपको बेटर आइडिया दे पाएंगे क्योंकि
इनोवेशन
शायद
मैराथन सर, स्कूल इनोवेशन मैराथन।
हाँ वो किसने लिया वो एक बार देखना पड़ेगा वो मीटिंग किसने ली है। क्योंकि जैसा अभी मेरी मीटिंग के बारे में कोई दूसरा नहीं बता सकता कि मैं कितने सर्टिफिकेट्स देने वाला हूँ, है ना। जब तक मैं उसमें ना रहूँ तो आप बेटर आप उनसे।
मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा सर कि मतलब ऑफलाइन भी ट्रेनिंग अगर हो तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि अपना अपनी तरफ से बेटर करें 100%।
आपके जी जी आपके स्टेट में जब भी ऑफलाइन मीटिंग्स होंगी तो आपको स्कूल या आपको एम की तरफ से इंफॉर्मेशन पास हो जाएगी कि ऑफलाइन मीटिंग्स है और आप यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं।
ओके थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे पास वी हैव 12 minutes left. Anyone want to ask any query?
Excuse me, sir. Am I
Yes,
audible?
good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Who is this?
Good afternoon,
Ma'am
sir.
is
I'm Komal Yadav from
ma'am.
New Delhi. Yes,
Komal
sir.
Yadav. Yes, Komal ma'am.
Yes, sir. यस सर सर मुझे ये पूछना है कि मेरे लैपटॉप्स i3 और 2 GB रैम के कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पर हैं तो मैं उन्हें अपग्रेड कराने के लिए प्राइवेट वेंडर यूज कर सकती हूँ कैसे करना है?
So this is what GEM or what we say is this is related to financial. So ma'am, what I suggest एक second ना, इसके बाद what I suggest कि you join the session on Saturday because the team is there who's going to advise you on financial part. They can take your doubts on this one.
Okay, one more question, sir. Sir, my school has around 4,000 plus students, but for science stream there are very limited sections are from science. So, is there any guidelines on how many students should be there for Atal based on the number of students for school?
Oh, the guidelines, as I showed in the previous call, that it's by ministry that at least 1 to 2 hour of session per child in a week. It should be mandatory.
Okay, so it should be for all the 4,000 students.
So it depends. See, if there are 4,000 students, and right, school can't manage all the 4,000 together in a lab. But what you can do, give them a chance. Like how the school plan the strategy. It can be in a 2 shift, or might be some of the students are attending for this period, and some of them attending for the next period. This is how you can.
Okay, sir. So, actually, sir, okay, sir, I got your point.
Thank
So,
you.
best support should be provided to them.
Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Good afternoon, sir.
करण सिंह कासगंज से।
यस
हेलो, हाँ जी नमस्कार जी। मैंने अपने एटीएल लैब से थर्ड ट्रेंच के लिए अप्लाई किया था, तो उसका कोई वो रिजेक्शन दिखा रहे हैं, एरर आ रही है कि हो नहीं रहा।
एरर
हेलो
बताना पड़ेगा कि एरर एरर क्या आ रहा है, आपको वो करना पड़ेगा ना। एरर क्या है आपका, आप वो देखिए इसमें।
वो उसमें ये बता रहे हैं कि वो आपका रिजेक्शन जो था ना, मैंने भेजा भी था अपने उसमें, तो वो कुछ उसका रिजल्ट आया नहीं मेरे पास।
हाँ, तो आपको शायद एरर पे काम करना होगा। उन्होंने फीडबैक भी दिया होगा कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आपको उसको रिजॉल्व करना पड़ेगा।
जी।
जी जी जी।
और
हेलो।
एक इसमें SIM में जैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा?
एसआईएम के लिए कल हमारा एक सेशन होगा एटीएल मैराथन का।
हाँ जी।
उसमें उसमें हम पूरा प्रोसेस बताएंगे कि कैसे हम रजिस्ट्रेशन करें, कैसे बच्चों को हम ऐड करें
जी।
एसआईएम के अंदर।
ओके ओके।
Neeraj sir, can I ask a question, please?
यस मैम।
Sir, our school is already a ATL school. So I just wanted to know ki, how can I get the GEM ID of the ATL?
So, ma'am, for Jam ID, actually, we have planned to cover that section today. But
Okay.
we have there's a lot of content actually we have done. So, Jam ID is the first topic that we are going to discuss tomorrow. We are going to. I'll share the complete guidelines, how to register, how to open if you forget your password, how to know each and everything we are going to cover in the. So it's around 30-minute ka session on GEM yesterday morning. Tomorrow morning, sorry.
Okay.
Sir, sir,
Thank
good
you.
afternoon. Sir, I'm
Go
Roshan calling from Mysore. I'm speaking from Mysore.
yes. Hi, Roshan.
Sir, I had actually a doubt.
Yes, please.
See, we got trans too, but can you have any guidelines how that has to be spent like?
Come again. What you said? I think I have missed.
See, like for trans too, what exactly the procedure is to spend that amount?
Actually, there's a background noise. Just a second. I'll just mute the other
Yeah.
participants.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Now you got a chance to, right?
Yeah, we got the funds, but I want some guidelines how exactly can, what is the proper way to spend that?
Okay. So for that, what I suggest, there are guidelines already on AIMS portal, right? It's a complete document is there. Each line by line, there are some points. So I request you to go there and check, because it's not a one line that I can say, okay, this is how you can spend, right? So it can be through government place market, can be through a vendor, right? What exactly you want, how much amount you spend, and which thing you want to spend, right? So you have to analyze all these things. So I request you visit OmniNames portal and you can check the requirements, right? You want to spend on IT, you want to spend on infra, like table, chair, right? So this is
No, because we have all the things, but only the trans 2 amount or trans 3 that we get, it is mentioned that it is for maintenance purpose. So I really, there was no
Just create
clarity
a
for
tab,
me
but
to.
yeah, sure, ma'am. The way as I told you, you just follow this one. Otherwise, I'll share the links to you. Right.
Okay, sir. Neeraj Thank you very much. Neeraj
sir,
Sir,
Can,
how can we apply for patent?
How can you apply for?
Patent for any
Patent.
project?
Okay, for patenting, it's a complete different thing. There's an official, it's a complete different department for patenting. So you can log in on Patents India's patent, and you have to fill all the criteria. So your school is under SIPSCP,
Yes, sir.
and from which location, ma'am, you are?
Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay. Okay. What I request, you connect with some experts in this, because patenting something, if you share details with someone else, it's a kind of copyright. So what I suggest, you can connect with or do one thing. You can connect with me or a mail or something. I'll connect with you a team who's handling this thing. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
and you can explore on Google, because there's a patent proper website department is there. You can apply your files over there. You have to submit some documents to them. Right. So it's a long process actually, but you should first aware. You should have get some more information on this one about patenting, because this is something sensitive thing that you can't share openly with anyone, right?
Yeah.
Because your project is something unique and yeah. Yes. So if you connect with me,
Okay,
I'll guide you. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you,
Good,
sir.
good afternoon, sir. This is from PMC KVF Salan Kazar, Kendriya
Yes.
Vidyalaya.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, as earlier also we were discussing, is there any chance that anyone from Learning Link in Karnataka or some nearby region who can connect with us for a mentorship?
Yalenka, I have to check have we worked or not, because I think in all the ATL schools we have already working, right? So I'll check.
Okay.
I'll check and I'll get back to you, sir, if for
Yes,
Yalenka
sir.
location.
Yes, sir. Actually, especially whenever this competitions and all comes, right? Like basic level, we are able to guide the students, but whenever it comes to
Sure.
specific
Sure.
things and
Sure. I
as
mean, I need to check the location and region, because we're already working with Karnataka's government school and previous school. So definitely I'll check and get back to you.
Sure,
Yes.
sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Good
Hello.
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to ma'am.
Our school name is Mount Zion Silver Jubilee School from Tamil Nadu, sir. Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
But in the dashboard, our school name is wrong, sir. Mistakenly they typed the name. So I need to change the school name. How can I change it?
Okay. So, ma'am, you can change. You can write a query to AIM. You can write a query. There's a query.
Already we sent a query many more times.
Okay. So what we can do? On Saturday, the team will be coming. The backend team will be coming. They will address this backend. How you can change this.
Okay, sir. Then the Atal Mega Tinkering Day we celebrated. Sir, when we will get the certificate?
You have not received the certificates? Okay. You write a mail to Suman.
Atal Mega Tinkering Day certificate.
I got it. Your point, ma'am. So you write a mail that you have not, because some of the schools have not yet received. I heard. Okay, and I'll definitely pass this query.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Next 3D made in, sir. That time you published one book, smart book.
మార్నింగ్ చెప్పారు కదా
Yes, G Shekhar ji.
ఏంటది అన్నారు
Hello.
Please
Hello.
share the attendance link again, sir. It is
Attendance
not
link. Okay. Team, can you please share the attendance link?
వచ్చి మెటా ఉంది కదా అది
Yes,
Sir, yesterday's recording, sir.
I'll share the recordings also.